Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. This is video number 2. This is about Social Profit Academy, the Platinum level in Power Lead System, and the $400 commissions. Now, I'm going to show you the video for Social Profit Academy in a minute, but I just want to show you something that happened to me a little while back. And something that goes with all the other levels as well. If you're not qualified for, let's say, Diamond, and someone under you joins and goes Diamond, well, what's going to happen basically is, since I am qualified for Diamond, that $100 commission is going to pass you and go right up to me because I'm your sponsor and I am the next qualified person. This happened to me, and oh, I wish I was Platinum. I am going Platinum within the next couple months. I am going Platinum so I don't get any more of these emails. But I want to show you this email that I got. It says, "You lost a Platinum commission. Someone below you just purchased our Platinum membership. This commission would have gone to you had you been a Platinum member. To make sure this never happens again, log in and upgrade to Platinum right now. To purchase and log in." So basically it's saying I lost that $400 commission. And that $400 commission went straight up and went to my sponsor here. So that goes for all of the upgrades. If you're not qualified, it's going to go to the next qualified person, which is your sponsor. In this case, if you join me, it will be me. So this is a Social Profit Academy. I'm going to show you the video in a second.
Our Platinum
Okay, hold on a second. So it's a one-time payment of $497, and when you do that, you unlock the $400 commissions. Now, all of the, including Diamond, I believe, have a 2 monthly payments. You can do it that way as well. But if you do the one-time payment all in full, you save $100. So you'll be paying $100 more. But if you can't, let's say, make it right away, you can still do the split payment, even if you have to pay the extra $100. But getting multiple $400 commissions, it'll pretty much pay for itself. But we're going to go now to the video here. This is Platinum.
Our Platinum membership, which pays out $400 commissions over and over again as you market your breakthrough system. That's right, for every Platinum membership the system sells for you, your automated marketing system is going to earn you a $400 commission. Just one Platinum upgrade per week pays you $1,600 per month. Imagine what that kind of income would mean for you and your family. You can start paying off those unpaid bills. You can get those much needed repairs in your car, or even buy a new car. Or you can even use your newfound wealth to cover your entire monthly mortgage, or even get that vacation home you've always wanted. Now, when you double these example results to just 2 or 3 upgrades per week, well, now we're talking about life-changing income that can positively impact your life and your loved ones too. But here's where it gets even better, because you're also going to get paid a generous $50 override every time one of your referrals gets a Platinum membership upgrade themselves. With just 2 of your referrals getting 1 upgrade per week, you pocket an additional $400 per month. 5 referrals doing the same would pay you $1,000 a month in extra income. And just 10 people each getting 1 small upgrade per week would put an additional $2,000 in your bank account every month, hands-free. And there's no limit to this income. You could be earning $50 overrides from dozens or even hundreds of people. But our Platinum membership isn't only about you making an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month. It also unlocks our highest value, most popular traffic lead, and money-getting training program. I'm proud to introduce to you the Social Profit Academy. And this is my best course, and it was created by me, Jeff Mills, just for you, so you can make money in many profitable ways doing Facebook marketing with paid Facebook ads. Others have called this training the best, most complete Facebook marketing course ever created. And now, inside this easy-to-understand 10-module program, you'll be shown exactly what's working today, right now, using the newly revamped and push-button simple Facebook ads platform. You'll watch me over the shoulder and see exactly how I set up my campaigns and how these same campaigns brought me over $100,000 in just 8 short months. Whether you need fresh leads every day, want to build a huge organization in no time flat, or simply want to rake in thousands of dollars per day selling any product, service, or affiliate offer, my course will take you by the hand and show you everything step by step with a paint-by-numbers 10-module plan. The Social Profit Academy course could easily retail right now for over $2,000, but it's available through this one-time Platinum membership offer for the low price of only $497. And when you place your order today, you're going to get instant access to a dozen never-before-seen video interviews and case studies with people just like you who went from zero to making $1,000, $5,000, and even over $50,000 per month in profit using these exact same Facebook marketing methods. And remember, by owning this course, you are instantly eligible to make $400 commissions on every referral the system generates for you, plus unlimited $50 overrides on all of their referrals, but only if you step up and become a Platinum member yourself. Simply click that buy button below and add this powerful course to your order right now. Become a Platinum member and discover how you can sell anything inside of Facebook and make money starting today. Just click that buy button right now.
Okay, so that is the Platinum package, Social Profit Academy, and all you got to do is hit the buy button right here. Make sure all these are checked here, and get started. And so that's the Platinum. Like I said before, you don't want to get these emails because it's going to happen to you whether you're Diamond, Platinum, or if you're getting the $1,000 commissions in Master Traffic Institute, which is the next video I'm going to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe to my channel if you would like. The buttons below this video, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in video number 3, Master Traffic Institute, $1,000 commissions.